Hi guys! So happy Halloween. I am about to get dressed in my costume and I'll just film a little bit of that. Really I'll just film the finished look and get some pictures, but I'm about to just put on some mascara. Thankfully I don't really have to do makeup for this costume, so thumbs up on that. I did straighten my hair, which I like never do, so I'm not used to this. But yeah, it actually goes up. I'm wearing a scrunchie, so I just want a straight ponytail though, if you know what I mean. Alright, so I'm going to put on some mascara and then get dressed. Alright, here it is. So I'm sure some of you already know who I'm going to be, and if you don't, then maybe when I put it all on it'll click, and if it still doesn't click then, well, then I'll just tell you. Alright. So I forgot to film my costume, but here are some pictures. Do you guys know who I am? If you guessed Laura Jean Covey, you are correct. I am slightly obsessed with To All the Boys I've Loved Before, but I still need to read the books, so I am definitely planning on doing that. Alright, we're heading to go trick-or-treat. We got Hulk. We got Michael Myers and Laura Jean. You ready to get some candy, Boo Bear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jace, where you going? Come on.
Did you get candy? Yeah? Come on, come up to the sidewalk. This way. Is it itching him? Go, go, go!
Ow! It's fire!
What?
Oh, my face! My face is fire!
So it's freezing outside. It started off at like 70 degrees today and it's heading toward the 30s. So we didn't trick-or-treat for very long and I had to add some leggings to my costume because yeah. So we're inside now and we might head back down. My parents do like a little table, so instead of people having to come up their hill, you just come to the table, they sit there, they hand out candy, they usually have some drinks, so probably just gonna go back down there in a little bit. Anyway, yeah, so this is Halloween. I am Laura Jean from To All the Boys I've Loved Before, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Okay, so we're doing my birthday dinner tonight at my parents' house, and my mom is making chili, but I have to make my own vegan chili, so I thought maybe I would try to film that. I don't know if I'll be able to film all of it, but that's what I'm planning on doing, so I can share it with you guys. And I'm just gonna start with something that will save me some time when I get over there. So she has the rest of the ingredients. I'm gonna bring the beans. I'm gonna shred these, and I have tomatoes that I'm gonna take over there, but she has all like the spices and all that other stuff that I need. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shred these carrots, and then I'll just pick back up over at my parents' house.
I didn't actually film any of the birthday party thing, whatever, but we took some pics, so I guess I can just sprinkle those in at the end. I did film the whole chili recipe, and I think it turned out good. I would say the only adjustment I would make would be to add a little bit more liquid. It was very thick, so I think I could have done more liquid in it. But other than that, taste was good. It was yummy. My mom made a vegan cheesecake for me, and aside from it not being thawed all the way, it was very good. So I think I will make that on my own sometime. I found the recipe for her, but I just asked her if she could make it, so she did. And yeah, it was a really fun afternoon with my family. I just enjoyed being with everyone, and everyone mostly dressed up in a costume, so it was fun. I enjoyed celebrating with my best friend. Yeah, I don't know, so sorry, I'm tired. I just wanted to kind of wrap it up for you, I guess, this video. So yeah, don't forget to give this a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.